Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 as well as briefly introduce you about its specs. So let's get into it. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartphones and smartwatches, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. So here I have one of the best smartphone among the newer smartphones, and it is the Samsung Galaxy S10. It falls in the center of the S10 family, where there is the S10e, the S10 and the S10 Plus, for which I have done an unboxing video which is linked up here and in the description. You can check it out once you're done watching this one. So before I start unboxing, let me give you a brief intro to its specs. The one I have over here is with 128 gigs of memory and 8 gigs of RAM. Samsung offers vivid color range from Prism Black, Ceramic Black, Prism Blue, Ceramic White and the Prism White, which I have over here. This beast is packed with the latest Snapdragon 855 processor and an octa-core CPU with 8 gigs of RAM. This is an ultimate multitasking machine. It has a vibrant dynamic AMOLED Quad HD Plus screen, one of the best screen on the current market, and a 3100 mAh battery which has enough juice to get you throughout the day, and all this comes at a price tag of 1300 Canadian dollar, just about $100 cheaper than the S10 Plus. So right off the back it's not cheap, but what you get is top quality. So let's get into the box. The exterior packaging to me seems about the same as the previous S9 lineup, nothing significantly different over here. At the back it says the package includes the phone, charger, stereo headset, USB connector, start guide, smartwatch guide, and the mobile care offer. Let's reveal the jewel now. And there it is. The first impression looking at it is mind-blowing. It's just phenomenal. So we'll come back to the phone later. Let's see what's under it. And there is a fast charging brick. Not sure if you can see the fast charging logo. I don't know why they camouflaged it. Under it is the USB to USB Type-C connector, which can be used for connecting any USB device like keyboard, mouse, etc. to the phone. And I'll use it right away to smart switch my old S8 data onto the new S10. Next in the box is the USB Type-C cable for charging or data transfer. And there is the AKG headphone, which from the front looks like they are wireless, but it's wired. I personally liked how they provided a plastic case for the headphone of S8, which to me looked premium, but over here it's just a cardboard box. I guess for the price we pay, Samsung could have done a better job over here to make the unboxing feel premium. Samsung over here did a good job snapping the paperwork under the lid, which most people don't even care about. So at the back of it is the SIM card tray ejector, and inside the box is just one booklet, nicely packed, and it's the quick start guide, which I'm not gonna open as no one is interested in it. Now let's go into the phone. Oh my goodness, the premium Prism White looks even better in person than the picture. So at the back there is the triple camera setup with the LED flashlight, the sensor. The main camera is a dual aperture 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization. The second in line is the ultra wide 16 megapixel lens without optical image stabilization, and the third in line is the telephoto lens with 12 megapixel. It's just identical as the S10 Plus. The back and the front panel both have Corning Gorilla Glass. At the back it's the damage and drop resistance Gorilla Glass 5, and at the front it's the Gorilla Glass 6, which Samsung claims to be scratch and drop resistance, and my favorite, it's finally oleophobic. That means no fingerprints or smudges. At the bottom there is an in-display proprietary ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The front screen does have a hole punch for the selfie camera, which is a 10 megapixel autofocus camera. Beside it is the earpiece speaker, which also work as a loudspeaker in conjunction with the bottom speaker while viewing content for a full stereo experience. This hole beside the bottom speaker is the microphone, and there is another microphone on the top. Right beside it is the SIM and the microSD card tray. Just so you guys know, you can load up to 512 GB of microSD card. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port, and my favorite, the audio 3.5mm jack. For all those cable headset lovers, it is still there. On the left hand side, it's the Bixby button, and on top of it is the volume rocker, and on the right hand side there is the power key. In short, you pay $100 less than the S10 Plus for a bit smaller screen size and only a single selfie camera. Other than that, the S10 Plus and the S10 are just about identical. So that's it guys with the unboxing video. Please stay tuned by subscribing, as I will post more S10 and S10 Plus videos and reviews. And if you guys are looking to get accessories or SD card for S10, please check the Amazon link in the description of this video, and shopping from those links really helps our channel, as all the text on our videos are unsponsored and I do pay the full price to give you guys my honest opinion. So make sure to check those links out. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.